Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. All right. So let me show you this chart. This is Nasdaq. I made this chart on the 28th March, and I showed that this is what's happening here. This is kind of like a contracting bullish triangle, right? So it's like A, B, C, D, and E, and after that it's supposed to go to the upside, just like the diagram showed. And I said, well, this might happen, and let's see what happened to this chart. Is this on the 1st April? You can see that it dropped a little bit below this trend line, rising trend line, and then it went up as I predicted it, right? So this is what happened to Nasdaq. But I found the same thing, same chart like this one in gold, right? So I made the chart, and let me show you the chart, what I made for gold, right there. See, this is gold chart, not Nasdaq. This looks very, very similar, but it's a gold chart, right? And I said, well, this is probably going to happen. And I posted the Nasdaq chart and this chart on several places. For example, let me see, on the Telegram, you see this here? I posted here, this is Nasdaq chart. This happened to the Nasdaq chart, and I said above our Nasdaq chart, before and after, look at the similarity with the chart below, which is gold, and this is the chart I posted there. As well as I posted this on the Forex Factory in my forum there. See, I wrote down here, look at the similarity between Nasdaq and gold charts. Gold might do the same thing. Be ready. This is the Nasdaq chart before, this is the Nasdaq chart after, and this is the chart before chart for gold. So now the question is, what happened to this gold chart? And let me show you what happened to this gold chart. As of today, it went up just like Nasdaq. I don't know what the heck is happening. Is gold following Nasdaq? Is a correlation going on? I don't know. But yeah, I was right on the dot, and this is what happened. Unfortunately, I did not have my alarm on my gold's entry chart, so I missed the move. And I was busy doing something else as well, and I forgot to put the alarm on. But yeah, so see that this triangle, this happens all the time, almost everywhere, because Elliott wave happens everywhere, right? So you just have to find it and then trade it accordingly. Just wanted to show you this interesting phenomena here. Now, another thing very interesting is that I was asked to make the chart for US 30, several requests. So I will start making them, and then I'm still making it, but let me show you that one of the settings that I found is amazing, and this is what it is. From here, March 31st, the day started from here. And look at the entry that my system is giving. This is US 30, by the way, right? This is the entry. This is the entry, and it's just continue going to the upside, and then more, right? This is, it ended here. This is all March 31st. See, from there to there, March 31st. This is how it went up, and this is how you get the entries. So I'm still doing some research here, and then trying to find different good settings, and then I will make a video on that. I also have to make a weekly chart for highs and lows and all that, and it looks very good. So just like Nasdaq, and then DAX is flying, and with my system giving beautiful entries, and S&P 500 as well. Oil, gold. I had a very big, huge trade in oil the other day. I posted on my website, right? And all, according to this system and the entry system. All right, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos. I mean, imagine. This one from here, 1960, it went up to 2018. Just imagine how much you could have done if you had this chart already in your pocket, right? So for the next time I post a chart like that with the setup, oil or gold or Nasdaq or S&P 500 and on any other Forex pair, you'll get it fast, right? Entries, you're gonna have to make it on your own. I show the system, I show everything else, right? So that's what it is. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And by the way, if you would like to join and then learn everything this, and then want to subscribe, then go on my website creativetradingsystem.com and subscribe, and you can sign up for a one-on-one course as well, where I will teach you, make you master of all this mumbo jumbo, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNL levels, this, that, triangles, everything, and this system, entry system, and how it works, and how you can take precise entries. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.